Hello friends, I am back with a new fun experiment. For that experiment, we need some milk and liquid soap and food color and last of all my magic wand. And we pour some milk. That's it. Now we will put some food color. First I will do red. Then green. Your and blue and yellow. And in the middle, purple.
We'll pour some more purple.
Okay.
Yeah. Now,
this is my magic wand.
This is your magic wand.
Yeah.
Okay, so now what will you do with your magic wand?
We
You dip it into the liquid soap. Dip it
Yeah.
properly, more deeply. Yeah. So the magic wand is ready to show some magic. Then
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
See.
See how the colors are moving.
Yeah.
Wow. Looks so colorful.
Move your hands.
Move your
Let us
hands.
see.
Wow. See, still the colors are moving.
Let us see.
Yeah.
Let's
See, wherever you touch the magic wand, the colors start to move away.
Yeah.
See? Wow.
So that it was cool.
Why is this happening, Parikshet? You know why?
Why?
Because milk has fats, and when you combine it with the liquid soap, there's a chemical reaction.
Yeah.
It causes the colors to move away.
Yeah.
So that's it.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.